how to play Cuphead 2-player PC with controller. I'm going to tell you how to play Cuphead 2-player on PC using a controller. First, make sure you have Cuphead installed and updated on your PC. Launch the game and connect a second controller. This can be any USB or Bluetooth gamepad that your PC recognizes. Once you're on the title screen or in the overworld map, simply press any button on the second controller. This will trigger a prompt for player 2 to join the session. Player 2 will take control of Mugman, while player 1 continues as Cuphead. If the second controller doesn't register, make sure it's properly connected and recognized in your system's game controller settings. Cuphead doesn't support keyboard plus controller co-op. You need two separate input devices, and both have to be controllers. Once connected, you can jump into levels together, revive each other mid-run, and share the chaos. It's pure couch co-op fun. Simple setup, fast action.